Camaros, Mustangs, and Mopars just don't float some people's boats. See, they like to stand out from the sea of Me Too muscle cars, and they like to support automotive guards that, despite market headwinds, never deviated from their original heading. That's the chief mantra of many die-hard Pontiac fans, and that's why classics like this lovable '69 Firebird convertible are so appealing. Rolling out of GM's storied Norwood facility as a legit Matador Red over Black Firebird, this engaging F-body has benefited from decades of steady restoration. Naturally, that work has maintained proper Motown form, and today, this handsome cruiser walks a fine line between tastefully contemporary and traditionally flamboyant. Inside is a retro interior that's mostly as the factory spec'd it. High back bucket seats are supple and firm. A weather-free dash hangs rebuilt gauges next to a correct push-button radio. Beneath that dash, a wood-trimmed console founds a small shifter behind auto-gauge accessory gauges, and the driver spins a stylish Pontiac steering wheel. Take a look under the hood and you'll find 400 cubic inches of clean turquoise muscle that's been professionally rebuilt. Behind that mighty motor, a proven TH350 3-speed spins power to a rebuilt 10-bolt that's finished with a posi traction differential and 355 gears. When the sun is warm and the road is beckoning, this Pontiac is exactly the kind of classic that can answer the call. There's a reason Firebirds are a rarity in our showroom. They're handsome, fun, ideal hobby cars that are exclusive by nature. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.